Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I got a very quick recipe which is coconut rice. I've got 2 cups of rice which are boiled and drained, adding salt to it. Here for my ingredients I have a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and to braise curry leaf and 2 dry chillies. And then I have some almonds, some cashew nuts, and some currants. For the braising, I've got a teaspoon of mustard seed, a teaspoon of jeera, and 2 bay leaf, 2 elaichi, and also I've got 1 black elaichi, and a little bit of black pepper whole, and a piece of cinnamon stick, and a star anise, and then to taste 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a cup of grated coconut, of which I'm going to use in the frying, and 1/4 cup of coconut to garnish. As you know, we've got some extra coconut from the wedding that we've been using. And then for garnishing, I'm also going to use some dhania. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I'm going to add in my 1/4 cup of coconut oil to my non-stick frying pan. To my oil, I'm going to add my dry chilies and my curry leaf. And thereafter, I'm going to add in my bay leaf, my jeera, my mustard seed, star anise, my cinnamon stick, my whole black pepper, and the elaichis. Now my mustard seeds are popping, so I'm ready to put in my nuts and raisins. I'm going to allow this to roast out just a little. Before my raisins burn, I'm going to add in my coconut. Also give this a quick fry. And then my salt. Now all this is fried, so I'm going to add in my rice. You can adjust the amount of rice you can use in. Now this is looking ready, and that's enough of rice. Now I'm ready to switch my stove off, and then I'm going to garnish with my 1/4 cup the grated coconut and my dhania, this is ready to serve. Any extra rice doesn't go to waste because you can use it as your plain rice. Here you go, your quick and easy coconut rice served with some lovely Durban style cooked chicken curry, and Pranesh will link the chicken recipe to you. This quick and easy coconut rice can be cooked for any weekly days to add some variety in the weekly day cooking. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.